Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. I mixed some varnish with some mica powders and I had some leftover and I poured that into that mold. And what I did with it, I will show you in this video. So this is how it all started. Here you can see the varnish that I have into my little cup. And I put some mica powder in there because I wanted to paint one of those wooden boxes with this color. And with this, I had really a little bit of leftover and I didn't want to throw it out. So what I did is I figured if I put it into a mold, I could do so with it when the varnish has dried. So I'm just painting it onto my mold here. And yeah, I was really, yeah, didn't really expect what came out of it. And when the varnish was dry, it looked like that. It had cracks all over the place, and yeah, I thought, this looks interesting. Why not do something with it? So I just mixed up some clear resin and I poured it slowly on top of the varnish. And yeah, I didn't want it to have any bubbles underneath there, and that's why I poured it really slow. When the first layer was cured, I figured if I put some chunky glitter on top of the resin, you can see the different color through the cracks from the front. So this is why I put the chunky glitter on there, and yeah, let's see if that worked. I mixed up some clear resin with some gold mica powder because I wanted to look kind of similar to the front, and this is what I'm pouring into there now. Now it's demolding time, and let's check out whether you can see the chunky glitter from the front or not. Yeah, and this didn't really turn out like I wanted it to, but yeah. And I had some like really big air bubbles stuck to the mold there, and I have to fix that problem now. So I mixed up some resin, some clear resin, and I put some shimmer powder in there, just a little bit. And I'm pouring it onto my little tray there because I wanted to cover up the air holes from the bubbles. And yeah, because my mold is really old and it's really dull and I want it to shine, so I poured some resin on top of it too. It looked kind of naked to my taste, and I figured I'd put some leaves in there, and I have some dried ginkgo leaves from a tree that's in our garden, and this is what I'm putting into there now. I'm pouring the rest of my resin on top of the leaves and to cover them up. And here you can see the shimmer powder that I put into my resin. And you can't see it much, but I think it makes a huge difference in the end result. if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. It's always nice hearing from y'all. And thank you for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll see each other in my next video again. Until then, bye bye. Oh, and I leave some pictures of the finished results at the end of this video.